Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports HDR. Open camera settings and enable HDR or set auto HDR. Place the phone on a stable surface or tripod to avoid motion between exposures because alignment matters. Once done, frame your shot with balanced highlights and shadows. Make sure no fast-moving subjects will blur. Adjust exposure compensations slightly lower if highlights blow out, and keep ISO low to reduce noise. This sets the scene for a clean HDR merge. Now focus on capture technique. Select HDR or bracket mode so the camera takes multiple exposure frames. Lock focus and exposure, tap and hold AE/AF lock so exposures align around the same point because inconsistent locks cause ghosting. Once locked, press shutter gently or use a remote. Keep the camera steady and avoid moving subjects since motion causes artifacts. If your phone allows RAW plus HDR, enable it to preserve details for later editing and better tone mapping. Finish by inspecting the merged HDR image for clipping, contrast, and color balance. Use the HDR intensity slider if available to dial back synthetic tones. Next, make micro adjustments. Lift shadows, tame highlights, and add clarity in a photo editor, especially if you shot RAW. If you see ghosting or misalignment, try a single long exposure, enable anti-ghosting in settings, or manually blend exposures in an editor. These steps solve most HDR problems while preserving natural detail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.